y'all? It's your girl, Dr. Nina, and these past weeks have been very tough. And though I'm minding my own business, the news in the world has had me a little uptight before bed. So it's time for my nighttime self-care pamper and shower routine that's helping me to unwind and treat myself well. I'll also be sharing with you some of my hygiene tips that'll help as well. Check out the items that I'm using in the description box and share your nighttime favorite things that you're doing to relax at night at home. But let's keep it PG-13. Let's get into it. Now, I need to chill, but these sinuses won't, so I'm herbal teeing it up today, y'all. Just a little sinus soother, throat coat, and Ricolas and lemon mint to help decongest and soothe. And I'm also adding a little raw honey that Sean picked up from Whole Foods because it could help with treating sore throat and relieving cough and promoting better sleep. Y'all, this is my version of the medicine ball from Starbucks. Don't sleep on it, baby. It be good. Do you hear me? And on top of that, it helps me to get the relaxation going. It helps me to feel warm and decongested. I promise y'all, it's amazing. Like Sean hating, y'all. He over here hating, trying to play or whatever before I get into my pamper routine. To start, I'm turning on one of my 5011 diffusers to relax. And I'm rocking with that eucalyptus because it's said to relieve mental exhaustion, enhances spiritual practices, clears the nasal passages, and it eliminates harmful airborne bacteria. I'm also getting into the steaming of my face. And also, look, y'all, I like to go in the spa music playlist on Spotify to calm down and set my tone. I literally just type in spa and find what pops up. So I'm gonna rock with this one, turn on my JBL and get it going. Now let's get into this face card. Lately, I've been trying out new products that can target my skin's needs and concerns. And as I age, I want my skin to be given refreshed, beautiful, and moisturized. It's okay to age, we just want to do it gracefully. We don't want to do ashy, dust prone, and discombobulated. So I'm happy to say that today's video is brought to you by Typology Paris. They're a company that I've been eyeing personally for a while now because I knew that they were about clean and effective skincare. Typology was born from the mission to demystify skincare with simple, straight-talking transparency. Sounds like somebody I know. Their philosophy is not to add anything to their products to make them stand out, but they use the most essential natural active ingredients. All of their products are vegan and cruelty-free. They're created in France, but they're still under the radar in the US. They're naturally sourced, healthy, effective, and environmentally friendly. And amazingly, with all of that, they are still fairly priced. I took their skin quiz and entered my top concerns like hyperpigmentation, blackheads, and fine lines, and that only took 4 minutes. Over 1 million people have taken it to get their skin diagnosis. And from there, I was suggested products for my day and nighttime routine. Tonight, I'm including a lot of those products, which are simple, effective, very limited of any fragrance, and I love how great they work. I'm starting off with this 7-ingredient cleansing oil, and y'all, when I tell you it's like butter to the face, it feels so good. It's fragrance free and it helps with removing makeup and impurities, and I don't have to feel like I'm dragging across my face or that the oil does not seem to be penetrating my skin. I love how it emulsifies into my skin and feels so good, and even rinses clean, and you can even see some of the makeup residue coming off. Now, I've mentioned that hyperpigmentation and blackheads are something that happen every now and again for me, and I really want to watch out for those. And the exfoliating cleansing gel works so well for this, and it's infused with aloe vera and it spreads over the face well with a nice lather, but it also makes you feel like your skin is getting super clean without all the extra frills. And I'm loving also to follow that with the Radiance Face Scrub with rosehip oil. It exfoliates and unclogs pores and refines skin texture. What I love about this stuff is the usage you're going to get to. You only use it about 1 to 2 times a week, so the tube lasts about 8 to 12 weeks. And what I also love is that it melts into the skin as you're using it, so you don't have those harsh beads on your skin. It's melting in really quickly and it works well. And then from there, we're watching the marks even further, so I want to steam my skin and treat it just a little bit more so I can make sure that it's receiving all the benefits of treatment. And I'm going in with the anti-mark serum, and this has centella in it as well, and it's for depigmenting older and newer scars. So I, again, don't have a whole lot of scars, but as you can see there on the left of my face, I do have some newer scarring, and I want to make sure that that reduces very well and keeps my skin even. Now I'm keeping it right and tight, y'all, and so I've been getting into this firming night serum with botanical blend and nopal. It helps to tone and regenerate the skin while sleeping, and what I've noticed is at nights that I use it, I'm able to replace my moisturizer with it. It leaves it feeling so good. My skin overall feels invigorated, toned, and supple, and although I don't have the heavy dark marks, I am seeing a reduction in furthering of those fresher dark marks and scars, which we want to stay away from. Click the link in the video description to take Typology Skin Diagnostics test to receive personalized skincare product recommendations. And with my link, you'll receive a free face scrub, a $30 value when you spend $30 or more. Plus, shipping is free when you spend $60 or more. Today, I'm using the Lip Bar Lip Gloss to moisturize those lips. It's like one of my favorites right now. And now we can get started with this shower. I'm using my Hygienic Loofah Substitute tonight. This thing is amazing. It is so soft and it has two sides, which cleanses the body in a soft type manner. And I'm also using my Detox Soap, which has Epsom salt. And that's wonderful just for getting that good, relaxing, pampering feeling in. And I've just been focused on making sure that my body shows up as cleansed all over. And I'm talking from my head to my toes. I really use this on my elbows, rougher areas, my neck, underneath my arms as well, my back, my shoulders, all of that. And I do use this a couple times a week. And I do notice that especially under my arms, it keeps them from getting all built up with gunk, and also keeping my skin as smooth and as soft as possible, and in preparation for full exfoliation as well. During my pamper routine process, I like to make sure that all areas of my body get multiple pamperings, in that I'm going over areas that, sometimes need a little more attention to make sure that they are well taken care of. Exfoliating my skin more meaningfully is essential for me now. And so I'll be using that toning body scrub by Typology, and it has that green coffee and lemongrass. And y'all, like the face scrub, it melts right into my body. It's not extra scratchy or anything like that. It emulsifies over the body, and you can even feel like this nice hydrating oil base. It helps to reduce body texture while firming and toning, and it just helps my body feel better. I'm noticing that it's helping with my skin texture, darker marks, scars, even older scars as well, and you don't have to use much. A little goes a long way. After rinsing, I'm going to be using my skin conditioner by Taraji P, and that's going to help me shave really well. It just helps to make sure that my skin is nice and supple, almost like a real conditioner is sitting on your skin. And so it does help with underneath the arm if you have a little bit of stubble, because I'm not going to wax this week, and also down on the legs or any hairier areas that need to be handled. But it does leave my body feeling silky smooth, and it does help in that shaving process because I don't feel like I'm fighting with the razor. And I'm using a different razor tonight, not my normal that y'all are used to seeing. For my lady bits tonight, we are going to be using the Pangea wash, which is an oldie but goodie for me. I love this wash, and I often rotate it into my routines, but it does make me feel not squeaky clean, just healthy clean, and it's wonderfully pH balanced, so I love it. And I'm also going to be, in order to just coat the rest of the skin, I'm also going to be lathering up just a little bit of kojic acid soap, just to make sure I'm getting deep into those dark marks and scars, keeping my skin as even toned as possible. And I just love it. Just feels good. Not a super overpowering scent or anything like that. And the lather feels nice and rich and soothing. And yes, sometimes I do just stand in one place like so in order to get some relaxing warm water on me. And then I'm just going to towel blot dry and wrap myself in my little wrap towel. and get about my business with getting moisturized, because y'all know me, I like to keep the moisture into the skin, so the faster out into that lotion, the faster we get it popping. So I'm using a little Cetaphil with, this is the one for the body, and I'm just gonna rub that in. I like it because it's nice, thick and rich, and it just makes sure I'm good and moisturized. And I'm also going to be using my oil mix that's made of almond oil, lemon oil, ylang ylang, and some frankincense. The reason why I like this mix is because it's great for treating those dark marks and scars as well. This oil goes on so smooth and so rich. It just helps my skin feel so good. And I don't know if it just feels like it has a barrier to it that keeps it protected. As far as my underarms, they are going with the Sensitive Cotton and Lily scent by Native. I love this stuff because it rubs in easy. Y'all know I love to rub in my deodorant. I sweat at night, so this helps a lot, and I don't always like the scent of sweat. Not that it stinks, I just don't want to wake up sweating and smelling like sweat. So I'm also using the Honey Pot Lavender Panty Spray, and this just helps to not necessarily give you a whole lot of scent, but it does help to neutralize odor, and I spray it over my body. It feels really good. And then I'm going to go with Creed Aventus for Her for my scent tonight, y'all. It's just a really rich scent to sleep in, I promise you. I'm just happy with my skin, how it's looking, how supple it is, and how the treatments went tonight. Now, I hope y'all have enjoyed today's video and that you got some relaxing vibes from it as well. Don't forget to click the link in my video description to take Typology's skin diagnostic test to receive personalized skincare product recommendations. And with my link, you'll receive a free face scrub, a $30 value when you spend $30 or more. Plus, shipping is free when you spend $60 or more. Thanks again to Typology for sponsoring today's video.